Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can create unpaid order on AliExpress, or how to pay how to place an order without paying. Okay, so to create unpaid order, first you wanna find an item that you want. So for example, I would place an order. Okay, so I'm going to buy something like this. Okay. So what you need to do, guys, to create an unpaid order, you want to click on here. It says buy now. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your iPhone or Android. Just open the AliExpress app, or you can do it on your PC. And after that, you want to click here. It says change. Okay, you want to change the credit card and add this credit card that I'm going to add in the description of this video. So the card number is going to be this. Okay, I'm going to place it here. Okay, so the month is going to be January. Okay, the year 49. Okay, and CVV you wanna add 730, and that's it. Now the name, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can add any name there. Okay, and then click on save and confirm, and then click on pay now. You can also add the message here in case you want to say something to the seller, like here. And then after that, you want to click on pay now. And that's exactly how you can create an unpaid order. Make sure you save this credit card so that you can use it next time. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. As you can see, we have successfully created an unpaid order. Make sure to drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.